Nothing like when a plan comes together. Hopefully that'll be the case today. Plan is we're going to head right out the reef, hopefully get a Nannygai and do a cook up on the sand cake. Oh shit. It's such a quiet morning. Big GT. Oh, that sucks. Hey?
Got a bit more fish. Nice size GT, really.
Yeah, really hoping for a Nannygai. Not too careful the hooks. Oh shit, I'm on two. Quick, okay, you go, quick. Oh no, double hook up. Lift and wind. Oh shit.
Oh, go Mum.
Oh
Go
no.
Dad.
Oh no. Oh, another one.
Right, let's go. Alright, let's go. Let's go.
It's probably just another one of these, I'd say. Probably would have been a school of them there. Alright, very good. Oh, has Mum got a Nannygai?
Oh!
Hey, she does too. Look at you go.
I'm getting it out. Yeah!
Hey, look at you go, Mum.
I told you I was going to
There we
catch
go.
one.
Very good.
Yes! We got one! Yay! Nannygai is my second favourite fish. Decent sized nanny.
Alright, let's measure him. Alright, what is he? He's about 58. That's pretty good. It's a good eating size. And I'm pretty sure from memory they are 55. Yeah, there you go. Beautiful. Alright, nice fish. Good work. We'll have to do another drift back over, see if we can get another one or two. You reckon another Nannygai or?
I reckon a GT.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Oh, you can see colour. Really good. Oh, it's looking Nannygai to me. Hey,
Oh,
keep them over that way. Hey, another one.
Oh, two
Good work.
Nannygai.
Alright.
Can you take it?
Yeah. Holy moly, is he bigger than the last one?
Yeah. Oh. He is. Good job, Mama.
Hey. Hey.
Got the camera on.
Look at Mummy. Look at Mum going, eh? Hey, good job. Up, hey.
Right to the face.
Yeah, right to the
It's
face.
not a hammerhead.
That's even bigger than the last one, eh?
It is.
You want to measure him?
Yep.
Yeah, get the mat out. Why not? All right.
Wow.
It's a good size, isn't he?
6 fish.
He's 62. Yeah. There we go. Alright, so that's 2 nanny on the bait now. So that's 2 to bait, none to the jig. So I'm going to lose the jig for the moment and we'll get both the rods run with bait.
I think it's another Nannygai.
Well, you never know. Left and wind. Yeah, got it.
Here, hold that.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, ready? Lift, wind.
Alright, got it.
You good? Oh, that's just pure line.
More drag?
Yeah, can I have a look for a
Yeah,
sec?
you go for it. You
Just-
reel it in. You go, your turn.
Yeah, it was just peeling line every time you. So there's a trick with these. Once you've got it up to the strike level, you've got to push a little button in, and then you push it up a bit further. Because otherwise, yeah, like just then you are lifting it, it's just peeling line.
I bet it's not a Nannygai.
It's pretty big, whatever it is.
You stole my fish?
Yeah, I'm stealing your mum's fish.
Oh well.
Oh, your mum's holding all the fish.
Yeah. How would you guys going to catch this fish?
Oh, I think that's a decent fish too.
Oh, what is it?
Oh yeah, no. Horse.
Oh, that's a big one. I
Oh
told
my
you
God.
it's a Nannygai.
Look at that.
3 Nannygai.
That's the biggest one yet. Holy moly.
Actually,
The size of that.
he's a fatty. Holy moly.
Wow.
3 Nannygai in one day. This is true. Oh wow. Look at that fish.
That's a good one.
Beautiful.
Good one. I'll have to measure him too.
Yep.
All right.
Is there a limit?
Yeah, 9 per person. We won't take anywhere near that though.
No.
We'll only,
need that
we'll only
many.
take a few.
There you go.
Yeah, all right. What do we got? Oh, now we're getting
69.
bigger.
Oh,
Just
70.
70. Just on 70. Good work. Hey, well done. Yeah.
Should be on my fish. I'm gonna put up next. There's fish. What are we doing? Yeah. It is heavy.
Yeah. Decent size fish.
He's a nanny.
Nice. No. Yeah.
Oh! Ah, that's really heavy. It's moving. Take it.
Spin it around.
It was moving.
There you go. Yeah.
That's a nice one.
I could see inside it. Ooh, yeah.
Excellent. All right. Feels pretty small. Huh? Yeah. Oh, so a little, oh, a little red emperor. Yeah, he'll be on the size. They're 55 as well. But oh, yeah, he's a cute fish.
That's cute. Can I hold it?
No, we'll put him back.
He has to go back. He's
Yeah, he's too small. But yeah, he's a nice fish. Oh, I got one too. Oh, double hook up.
my God.
Oh shit, alright. Oh crap. No, you're right. You can do it alright. We got it on the drop though, so. We can loosen the drag off if you need to. Or the middle bit of the rod can lean against the gum if it has to. Oh shit.
Do this.
Holy shit. Holy crap. It's big, whatever it is. Oh really? Yeah. I thought mine might have been. Yeah. Oh, mine might have just got shark too. Oh, I think it might have just got both grabbed by a shark. Oh, he's right there.
Just right to swim there.
Oh, lost it.
Oh, thank God for that. Probably a shark anyway.
Well, I reckon I had another GT.
Yeah, that thing's fought pretty hard.
And then shark grabbed it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, God.
Bit nice.
God. Top line and all.
Alright. Hang on, look. Oh, there we go.
God.
Dropped off, yeah.
Okay.
Alright, well, Aurora managed to hook up to a couple of nice Nannygai. Plan was cook up at the sand cave, but the plan is kind of half gone to plan, but the other half of the plan, that's our sand cave over there underwater. So I haven't been here before, and yeah, I guess there's no cook up on the sand cave today. All right, backup plan. What are we going to do?
Find an island.
Yeah, island cook up. All right, let's do that. All right, we'll see you over on the island. Alright, made it to the island. I might fill up the fish. Right, so we'll just knock one fillet off this Nannygai, and then I think we'll swim back out to the boat. That'll be us for dinner. This is kind of dinner now. Alright, yeah, was a little bit of a hack job, but it's my filleting skills, a lack of.
I'm gonna go back. Yeah,
Alright,
there's a
there
nice
we go.
little bag of prepared flour, even-ish size pieces. Gonna put all my little fish bites in the flour.
Do you want to toss them in a plate or something, maybe? You alright? In the bag, or give it a go?
We'll get there. Yep. So I'm just going to fry up these fish bites in the olive oil until they're nice and crispy. Step one. Flip them over and get the other side nice and crispy. Pull them out, they look nice and crispy. Beautiful soft flesh fish, so you don't want to overcook it. Like little, I don't know, naked fish burgers. Gonna add a little bit of salt.
Won't go astray.
A little bit of sea salt. 2 pieces. Another one for that one. This is a big one. Just a few with the chili.
Yeah,
some spring onions. Now we got wasabi, Kewpie for the adults. Some of the normal Kewpie. There we go. Now we have it.
Beautiful.
Crispy Nannygai lettuce cups.
Yeah, lovely.
Oh, this is really good. Really tasty.
Alright, let's hook in. Is it good or what? You like it?
It's delicious.
It's delicious,
It's
yeah.
tasty, creamy, and
Yeah.
yummy.
Oh, yeah, that's really good. Thank you, right? Beautiful.
Most welcome.
Lovely. Oh, what do you reckon? Mission success?
Mission definitely.